Welcome back to the channel, where we turn simple outdoor spaces into stunning farmhouse-inspired retreats. In today's video, we're exploring creative small space garden ideas that bring cozy entryway charm without spending a fortune. Whether you're working with a narrow front yard, a compact terrace, or a tiny garden corner, you'll discover budget-friendly tips to create a warm, inviting, and beautifully styled entrance that feels both practical and effortlessly elegant. Welcome back to the channel, where we transform everyday spaces into beautiful, functional sanctuaries. In today's video, we're diving into small space garden ideas that bring farmhouse entry charm to life without draining your wallet. Whether you have a tiny front yard, a narrow walkway, or a compact patio, this guide will help you create a warm, inviting outdoor space filled with rustic elegance and cozy appeal. Farmhouse style is all about simplicity, warmth, and natural textures. Think weathered wood, neutral tones, and vintage-inspired accents. When applied to small gardens, this aesthetic creates a welcoming entryway that feels both relaxed and curated. The key is to focus on subtle details like distressed finishes, soft greenery, and functional decor that blends beauty with practicality. Before adding decor, take time to evaluate your available space. Measure your entryway or yard and identify focal points. Use vertical space for planting, keep pathways clear, and avoid overcrowding. A well-planned layout ensures your garden feels open and breathable, even in tight areas, while still capturing that cozy farmhouse charm. Opt for budget-friendly plants that thrive in your climate. Herbs, ferns, and small flowering plants like petunias or lavender work beautifully in farmhouse gardens. Mix textures and heights to create visual interest. Container gardening is also a great solution for small spaces, allowing flexibility and easy rearrangement. Wooden planters are a staple of farmhouse design. Instead of buying expensive ones, consider DIY options using reclaimed wood or pallets. A simple wooden box with a slightly distressed finish can instantly elevate your garden's look. Place them near your entryway for a welcoming and organic touch. A charming pathway doesn't need to be expensive. Use gravel, stepping stones, or even repurposed bricks to define a walkway. This not only adds structure but also enhances the farmhouse vibe. Keep it natural and slightly imperfect for that authentic rustic feel. Farmhouse gardens shine with vintage accents. Look for old watering cans, metal buckets, or wooden crates at thrift stores or flea markets. These items can double as planters or decorative features, adding personality and history to your space without high costs. When space is limited, think vertically. Use wall-mounted planters, hanging baskets, or trellises to grow climbing plants. This approach not only saves space but also creates a layered, lush look that enhances the overall aesthetic of your garden entry. Even in a compact space, a small bench or stool can make a big difference. Choose wooden or metal pieces with a rustic finish. This creates a cozy spot to sit while also adding to the visual charm of your farmhouse-style garden. Stick to neutral colors like white, beige, gray, and soft greens. These tones reflect the classic farmhouse style and help make small spaces feel larger and more cohesive. Add subtle pops of color through flowers or seasonal decor for variety. Outdoor lighting can completely transform your garden. Use string lights, lanterns, or solar-powered lamps to create a warm and inviting atmosphere. Soft lighting enhances the farmhouse aesthetic and makes your entryway feel magical during the evening hours. Turn everyday objects into garden features. Old ladders can become plant stands, mason jars can be used as lanterns, and crates can serve as shelves. Repurposing not only saves money but also adds a unique, personalized touch to your space. Your front door is the centerpiece of your farmhouse entry. Add a simple wreath made of greenery or dried flowers. This small detail can tie the entire garden together and create a welcoming first impression for guests. Mixing materials like wood, galvanized metal, and stone adds depth and authenticity to your garden. These textures are essential to achieving a farmhouse look. Keep finishes slightly worn or matte to maintain a natural, lived-in feel. Keep your garden fresh by updating decor with the seasons. Add pumpkins in fall, flowers in spring, and simple greenery in winter. Seasonal touches keep your space dynamic and engaging without requiring a full redesign. Choose plants and materials that are easy to maintain. This ensures your garden stays without requiring constant effort. Mulch, drought-resistant plants, and durable decor help you maintain a beautiful space with minimal upkeep. Add personal touches like custom signs, favorite plants, or handmade decor. Your garden should reflect your personality while staying true to the farmhouse theme. These unique elements make your space feel authentic and inviting. Creating a charming farmhouse-style garden in a small space doesn't require a big budget, just creativity and thoughtful design. By combining simple materials, natural textures, and smart layouts, you can transform any entryway into a cozy and stylish retreat. Start small, stay consistent, and watch your outdoor space become a beautiful extension of your home.